Hello guys, so today I'm going to give you a demo for JewelAI, which is the first product of Aravi Tech Labs. So this is the landing page where the user can see the result, input and outputs, the styles that we offer. So they click on try free, they log in with their credentials or Google sign up. Here they come on the dashboard page where they can avail free credits, which I've already done for this account. And after that, they click on create new. After click on create new, here I am uploading the earring set. Then I click on next. Here we have different resolutions, as we have different charges for every resolution. Then we have the option to either generate a single image or multiple images of the same style, same theme. So I'm going with that. I click on next. I select a few preset styles. First I select a luxury studio, then a model close-up, then a flat lay, and then a lifestyle DSLR. Then I click on next after selecting the aspect ratios. Here the user can add their custom requirements that they have. Also they can upload an inspiration image or a mood board. I click on create new. After clicking on create new, we come to the collection page where we can see the process going on. Here we have different page. One is this gallery page, one is this tutorial page, where we have the requested tutorials that our users have asked us to upload. Then we have dashboard where we can see the latest generation. We come back to collections page, and when we wait a while, we can see this is the first image that has been generated. See all the generated images. This is the lifestyle one. This is the model close-up. This is the studio quality. This is the flat lay, and the user also have an option to download the image. That's all for the demo. Thank you.